Do you want to adjust the audio balance between the left and right speaker on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? This feature can be helpful if you hear better in one ear or simply want to send more sound to the left or right channel. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Hearing Enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Under left or right sound balance, you can see two sliders. The first slider is for connected audio, which affect compatible headphone and external audio devices. And the second slider is for your phone speaker. For this example, let's adjust the connected audio slider toward the right. As you move the slider, more of the audio is directed to the right channel. Now let's move it back to the center, where the sound is balanced equally between the left and right side. You can also adjust the phone speaker slider the same way if you want to change the balance when using your phone's built-in speaker. Keep in mind that this setting doesn't affect phone calls. It only applies to media audio. And that's how you adjust the left and right audio balance on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.